Hey, what's up, my friends? We're gonna continue on with what we've been doing so far. I've gone and masked off the color, and if you remember, here's the magenta part with vermilion and the phthalo blue, no, turquoise and cerulean blue or aqua green. Aqua green is what we've been doing. Okay, so anyway, one of the cool things about this one is that, and let me catch the light off of it. So there's been many things under it, and so I'm going to use that to our advantage on this one. I had intended on kind of dry brushing some things in, but since there's so many textures that are kind of fun behind here, I'm going to palette knife this on. Yeah, so palette knives are awesome. So what's going to happen is on all the high points, the white is going to catch. So every time we bring it down across, it's going to end up having, some fun, fun texture. I hate that I don't have a better word for it, but fun texture works. So we've got Artist Loft. Man, I use this paint for everything. I've had nicer paints. Actually, I just got some Dick Blick paint. It's pretty good. I hadn't used it before, but so I had thought about painting this whole thing white. But this is kind of what I'm looking for here. And maybe if we even get it a little bit closer, it'd be a little bit clearer. So everywhere that it's tall, it's you could see the black coming through it, and everywhere that's low, the white gets pushed into the mix. And so I was gonna just paint this whole thing white and then work the yellow over that, but I think this will be better because and I'm putting it on and scraping it off. But I think this one will be better just because it's a more unique texture that kind of works with the other one. Oh, there we go. We're hitting this at different angles so that we get the most paint scraped off as possible. And you know what? I still haven't got more paper towels in here. Because what I would do was maybe wipe some of it off, but oh man, yeah. No, I don't like that. It unscrapes off my business. There we go. There's still some. We got some lines that look unnatural. Just trying to pull those out. There we go. Favorite. Love it. and it's gonna look way better when I pull this off, and then you'll see that so when we go to put the yellow on, the reason why we didn't leave this black, even though it does make this color pop more, these aren't what we're trying to make pop. What we're trying to make pop is the yellows that we're going to put over, because we're going to do thin yellow lines across this, and then we'll drop shadow those. And so I really think that will be that'll be the main point of this painting when it gets to that part. So we're just going to put it on, scrape it off, just kind of like we did last time. Try to get it all over the place to give us a good base for our yellow. Did I just headbutt the camera? No, I didn't. Okay. But I'll show you what this is going to look like, because I can see somebody being skeptical with this tape laid on, but I'll pull off the tape in just a second so you can kind of see more of what we're working on here. Yeah, I don't know why I did that, just because it's fun. So yeah. Am I shaking the camera again? Dang it. Put a little bit too much paint on here. Really just want to expose all that other... You know what, maybe I do like the lines in it when they're going vertical. Can I scrape lines in this one still? Oops. Well, yeah, that's what's happening on that piece. I'm sorry that if I'm shaking the camera and it's bothering you, I do apologize. Not a lot I can do about it. I'll find a better setup for next time. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like how these lines are coming out. All right, I'm gonna stop messing with it, and then let's pull off the tape and kind of see what we've got going on with the two together here. The black to white, and then the... Oh, come on. You can do it. And then... All right. Actually, I like the way it looks up against that white better. Okay, cool. So from here, like we said, those yellow bars, And I think we're going to be doing a little, squiggle action somewhere in here. I'm not sure where yet, but I do like how this white makes this look darker and makes this a little bit darker in here. So that's ultimately a win. Yeah. Okay, so this is where we are for now. Put the other things in, and then this painting, I don't know what we'll do. To be honest, I might just mess with it and play with it until I've completely ruined it and I got to start over. But yeah, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I like messing with my paintings until they're no longer good. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Would you mind, if you're on Pinterest, would you mind, sharing it to Pinterest or liking it up or whatever? Now that I'm going to have my own studio, I'm trying to get YouTube rolling again, and now I'm not going to be painting in my apartment anymore. I'm going to have a place, and it's still a couple months out, but still trying to get this rolling again. So would you help me get this rolling and like this, comments, whatever? Anyway, you know the deal. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.